Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be doing the naming of amines and nitriles. Now these are two functional groups of which the chemistry we will be doing in A2 but the naming is in AS. Now for amines you need to know that we'll be only doing the naming of primary amines, right? You can call them amines and you can call them amines, any which suits you. Now the first three amines I have written in front of you, the first three primary amines. Now keep in mind that the suffix amine must be added to the longest carbon chain. So the first amine would be called methylamine, the second would be called ethylamine, and the third would be called propylamine, and so on. Right? Now following that, let's do a more complex question. Now we would number this so that the amine group gets the smallest number. So we have a bromine substituent, we have a methyl substituent, and we have a second methyl substituent. Now let's name this. This would be named 2-bromo 3,4 dimethyl pentyl amine. Now let's go throughout this. Okay, 2-bromo simply because the second bromine, the second carbon atom has the bromine substituent. 3,4-dimethyl because the third and the fourth carbon atoms have the methyl groups attached to them. Pentyl because there are 5 carbons in the longest carbon chain. And remember, the name will be in the shape of an alkyl group. So it will be pentyl, not pentane. Keep that in mind. And amine will come in the end as it is. Now moving on to nitriles. Now nitriles are a functional group which have a RC triple bond N attached to it. Right? Now the suffix nitrile must be added to the longest carbon chain. Now let's look at these examples that I've written. CH3CN. Now it is a 2-carbon nitrile, so it is called ethane nitrile, which you can call ethane nitrile also. We usually write this together, or you can write them as 2 words also. So it's your choice. Ethane nitrile can be written as any way that you want to. Now the next example. It is a 3-carbon nitrile, so it would be propane nitrile. And the third example that I've given, it is a 4-carbon nitrile, so it would be butane nitrile, right? So the nitrile naming is quite simple, and generally the naming would follow as it is. So that is it for this video. Thank you.